Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Trader. And this video, I'm just going to create one of the new scanner. So rally and base and drop, so that we find out a higher level, a trend reversal kind of patterns which we are going to create on the scanner. So already we made a scanners regarding 1 hour time frame, that demand zone which happening at the lowest level. Some of the stocks which we find out the demand zone which happening. So based on our scanner, today we find three stocks like drop and base and rally kind of thing which is happening on Tata Steel on hourly time frame. It's not an hourly time frame. Yeah, drop and then a base and then a rally. So it is happening at the lowest level of the trend. So that is what the last scanners which you have created. And one more stock, Manappuram. So that happening such a pattern. So let me try for Manappuram. That is also closing hours. So we are finding out a drop base or rally and IOC. That is a third stock. So based on the today's scanner, I'm just finding out. So it is happening at the very lowest level. We try to find a reversal pattern in the bottom. Okay. And some few days ago, so final result that based on the scanner ONGC, that was happening on 215 around 9/9 2024 ONGC. Let me track 9/9 2024 at 215. This is what a pattern where we find out maybe that got triggered our stop loss and now it is moving lower. We may be finding an opportunity when it forms such a pattern. And a few days prior to that, we find a Dr. Reddy, and this is a result based on the scanner which we find out. Dr. Reddy is on 159.9. So this is what a drop base a rally pattern from that around 6,600 and it went up to 6,751. And one more stock which we filtered based on the same scanner, Excite Industries, around 9th September 1 o'clock. So we got an opportunity from 471, it maximum moved to 484. So this is what a supply and demand concept which we are used it and to finding out a opportunity. And this video I'm just simply creating this opposite pattern. That pattern which we have already created, the pattern is drop and base a rally. So this would be helping you to find out drop and base a rally, that helping you to find out for a trend reversal if it is forms at the lower level. So one more scanner which you are going to create a rally and a base and then a drop. So this would be a finding a trend reversal after the uptrend. So if that pattern which forms at a highest level, then we try to get some trend reversal that can be possible on some stock. So let me try to create the scanner in this video. And if you want to access all my premium scanners, we have a premium group, so there you can access all my premium scanners. And we used mostly customized scanners to find out an opportunities. And mostly we created scanners which is going to non-repaint. So some scanners may be repaint after some down movement in a particular stock, that stock would be removed from the list. Such a kind of things won't be happen on our scanners, because if you are using two different time frame, the scanner may be repaint. But if you fix the candle time frame, that would be exactly not repaint. Okay, so the condition, based on the conditions only, we try to find a scanners with whether it is repaint or non-repaint. Okay, so let me try to create a rally, base and drop. So I'm just always using a future and option shares. Okay, so to find future and option shares, why? Because it's a very few number. Okay, so I'm trying to find the futures, and already we created a demand and supply candle. So this is a derived indicator, so which we are already created one. Okay, so here we are using 1 hour time frame. You can change change the time frame to whatever the time you want, maybe 15 minutes or 30 minutes, whatever. But I'm just tried this 1 hour time frame should be 1 hour time frame should be good. Okay, so this is what a demand candle, and same like that we should try out a supply candle. So already we created. So let me go for a supply candle. So this should be a -1 hour. So while creating the scanners, you should create the condition and everything should be very perfect. So here I'm just normally use 0.3, and if you want to use it 0.5 also, that would be used. So here I'm just using a demand candle, that should be two candles ago. So this is a customized indicator which you are looking at on a normal scanner, it would not be available. Okay, so we are created this with the logic of that particular candle. So we used that to make this particular condition. So because in charting, so we can compare two variables, but this conditions which takes many variables, we need to create the scanners and we then use it. Okay, so what we are going to use in this candle? So rally and a base and a drop, that should be happen at the highest level. That is the main conditions which we are going to use in this particular scanner. So let me try to create. So the first candle should be, that is the current candle, should be negative candle, right? So the close of that particular candle, it must be less than open of the particular candle. And so we are using hourly time frame, so then you will to change hourly, 1 hour time frame. So let me change it. Yeah. So on the second condition which you have used, and 2 candles ago, it should be greater than. So 2 hours ago, it should be greater than. Okay, that means 2 candles ago. Okay, if you are looking at this, will be fetching you some stocks, and I'm not getting any stocks here at this moment. And let me check. Once you save, you can able to test the back test result. So it is the testing scanners. We have a lot of stocks. You can see MFSL, Tata Motor. Tata Motors today is fall down very big, gap down. Yeah, so here a drop and a base and a drop, but it is not a big drop. So we need to create and we need to get that drop candle should be very big compared to the previous one. That we have to add a conditions. So that we have used an ABS function. Okay, so we should create. Okay, the ABS is an absolute functions where we get a values. So here already we created the high and high minus low of hourly time frame. Minus 2 candle, high and low must be greater than ABS minus. So here we use minus 1 candle. So it is an hourly time frame. So you need to check all the things and we have to use number function. Why we are using number function? So we can adjust the scanner as per our requirement, 1.5 or 2 times, 3 times, whatever we need it. So we can utilize it. So if I am just scanning this, we have a very few number of stocks. Where we got at a closing hours at September 11, 115 only we have stocks like Eicher Motor, Bata India. Eicher Motor, we can check 115. This is what I think. So rally and a base and the drop. So what we are looking for, and the second candle high and the low, it must be greater than the minus 1. That's right. So here we have to use one more function, greatest. This will fetch you highest level of any of the candle. 16 minutes. Minus 2 and minus 1 should be equals maximum 20 candles high minus hourly. It should be here. We have to use hourly time frame. It should be minus 1. Okay. So this will exactly fetch you whatever the stock which forming a highest level. So if you find very few number of stocks at 115, we have a Britannia, MPSS and Polycap. So let me try for a Britannia. So what happened? So at 115 of 11.9 today, whether it is right or wrong. So 115 candle, so 11:15, 12:15, 1:15. It's a rally and a beach in the drop, but in this case, rally candle should not be a big candle. But here we find a demand zone where you can see the orange in color based on the scanner. And let me try for a LTTS. So that will also be very good, and rally, base, and drop. So this is sorry. Here should be, it's not about to find why. We should change 0.5. Okay, that's okay. So -1 close less than the open. That's right. -2 open. -2 ABS I -1. Let me try for 1.2 times. Sorry. Or 2. Let me check the refuse number of stocks. MPS is only. So this is for an adjustment. We will be finding out. So this may be a right a rally in a base in a drop. So here we exactly find the pattern. So here you can see the rally candle and the base candle and the drop candle. So maybe again this point where we can expect a reversal, or this is maybe a reversal that happened at a highest level of the trend. So where the market is moving somewhere from the bottom and it forms the higher level. So we got a some reversal, maybe or continuation. So both should be possible. This is what a scanner which you are trying to find out. Already we created a daily time frame, and this is what an hourly time frame where we can utilize this for to finding out supply and demand scanners based on our charting. So this is also be one of the scanners which you have created, and that is also going to share on our premium group. So those who are already members, so you can access the scanners and you can also modify as per your time. So if you are changing here 0.5, so we will be getting some different stocks. Okay, so here MPS is, I think, that okay, and previous one should be Trent around 11:15 Trent ACC. So Trent here 11:15 and ACC. Even we can check ACC rally, base, and drop. So this is what a thing so which we are exactly looking at, which forms at the highest level after this pattern from that level 2461, and it came down to 2433. So that is what a thing which we are exactly looking for. So you can change the values, and you can, even if I'm just going for a 3 times, so it will be showing very less number of stocks. You can see this is what 11:50 now, ACC only. So let me check the ACC what is happening. So here this is the pattern where exactly we find it. So whatever the time frame and whatever the values which you can able to change it, and you can change it, and you can make use of the scanner. And let me save this, and it will be also going to share on our premium group. And if you want to access my premium group, it is a one-time charges which you have. You can access all my premium scanners like ADR, swing scanners, and something like Camarilla, CPR. Some you can access all my scanners. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. So where by using the scanner, we will be finding out hourly demand zones or supply zones. But this is mainly for a supply at the highest level. So that would be a good scanner for your intraday. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more updates. Thank you for watching, and thank you.